In today's video, I thought I'll ask ChatGPT about a company called Zscaler. So my first question to it would be, can you tell me about Zscaler? So it's actually preparing a brief summary about Zscaler, and it's amazing that it has a lot of information about the company, and it tells us about what Zscaler is about and what kind of product it builds and stuff like that. When it went public, when did it start? The next question I'm going to ask is what products does Zscaler create? So or are sold by Zscaler. So now it actually gives a long list of things of all the products Zscaler has, and it's unbelievable that in a matter of this video is about 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes, I have a full-fledged information about the company, and it's amazing that ChatGPT has all this information in its database to give me a complete overview of a company. So if you see, it talks about many of the products created by Zscaler, and it also explains what that product is about, and it's actually amazing. So there's no question about that. And if you wanted to know more about Zscaler, you would have had to dig through a lot of documents to understand all this summarized information that that ChatGPT is giving me. So you can imagine how much of knowledge and information ChatGPT has of every topic you would think of. And if you have the right questions, it has the right answers and the excellent answers too. It is still not perfect yet, but it's improving. As and when we ask more and more questions, it tries to build its intelligence, and it'll be one of the best things that are there in the market today. So the next one I'm saying, does Zscaler have any subsidiaries? It tells me right away that it had the information it has up to 2021, and it doesn't have anything after that. As of 2021, there was no subsidiary. So that is the answer I got from it. So you can see that ChatGPT also has some limitations. It doesn't have the today's information. So, but it does have enough information for you to research a company. So then I'm asking it, what is the customer sentiment? I mean, asking what's the feedback from customers about Zscaler products. So it's actually telling me all the details of how customers like Zscaler products, and they've been loyal to the products. So you can imagine. I mean, I could, based on my questions, I can get the end-to-end information about that company and its products and its customers' sentiments. My final question would be, let's see. So, is Zscaler a public company? No, actually, not. Let's not do that. So, I'm going to ask a little more, a broader question. So, what I'm going to say is, you can share any other information about Zscaler. So it actually lists out a lot more things than what it already has told me. So looking at this in 4 minutes, I've got enough information about a company called Zscaler. You can do such research with any company, and you have enough information to understand a company and its products and its customers. Hope this video helps you. Um, look forward to sharing more good videos about ChatGPT. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.